Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. This is the summary video for today lesson. Unit 4, lesson 4.2, taste and smell. Continuing our topic, learner book, page number 40 and 42, 40 and 41. The lesson 4.2, taste and smell. Okay, homework activity book, page number 24. So let's start. Explore the human senses of taste and smell. In the last, we talked about hearing and sight. Hearing and touch. And today we talked about taste and smell and the way we use them to learn about our world. After measure using simple equipment and record different observation using our activity. There are also some activities. So let's start. 4.2, taste and smell. A tongue has taste bud. A tongue has taste bud. It's on upon your tongue. Okay, which sense taste like salt and sweet and bitter and four. So mainly we have four different birds on our tongue. Sweets sweets we can taste it, salt, bitter taste and sour taste. Sweets like any sweet you're eating, candies, chocolate, salt in different item, and bitter also different kind of little bit like coffee, and sour like lemon. So different kind of bird on your tongue. So taste different thing. Taste work with smell to stop us from eating food that would make us ill. Obviously when we are putting anything in our mouth, so it's across in front of nose, so it can smell it. So if it's not smell good, so we cannot eat it. So taste work with smell also to stop us from eating food that would make us ill. So if something smell bad, it generally tastes bad too. Obviously, if it smell not good, how we eat this? If some food is expired, so we cannot eat because their smell isn't good. So if smell is not good, we can't want to eat. If something smell bad, it generally taste bad too. If your nose is blocked, if your nose is blocked, you cannot taste very well. Obviously, we cannot taste the thing well because it's also touching with the sense of smell. So if your nose is blocked, you cannot taste very well. Some animals have small noses, other have big noses. Yes, some animals have small noses and some have big noses, and they can from far away can smell the thing and can move toward the thing. Which of these animals do have think can smell think the best? From which one? A mouse, bear, butterfly, or human? Hope so, bear. From what about this? A monkey, goat, lion, elephant? What do you think? Which one? Lion or monkey? Just check it and make the circle. I told you in the class also. Beer have a very good sense of smell. Which one? Beer have a very good sense of smell. Beer can smell food far away. And what about smell? A snakes smell with their tongue, not with nose. With their tongue. There isn't nose. So snakes smell with their tongues. So animals which find their food on the ground have a very good sense of smell. So it's what about us? So there is an activity you can do it at your home. Do you like or dislike this food? Obviously if it's near to us, we can smell it, and we know it's good for us, and after the second thing we taste it. Okay, ask them to taste each sample of food and say whether they like it or not. Repeat the test, but this time ask your friend to hold their nose so that they cannot smell the food. Does this affect how they taste the food? Obviously, if you close your nose or block your nose, it's difficult to taste the food. After this question answer, which part of our body do we use to taste things? What do you think? It's tongue. Which part of our body do we use to smell things? It's nose. And why do why do we need to smell and taste food? Because to check it's good or bad taste. To check they are edible, they have good taste, they have bad taste, for this purpose. Okay, boys, take care. Pay number 20 for your homework. Complete it as your homework. Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye.